Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two SEO tools platform to help you decide which of these SEOs would be a better option for you and your business or your team collaboration in 2025. So to get started, Ahrefs is a top-tier SEO platform built for professionals and agencies. It offers a deep backlink analysis, advanced keyword research, site audit, and competitors tracking, all backed by one of the largest and most reliable SEO database. Its interface is powerful but can be overwhelming for beginners, and pricing start at a premium. So talking about Mango on the other side is a beginner-friendly SEO tools made up of 5 simple tools, including KWF Finder, Link Miner. It's a great choice for keyword research, basic backlink analysis, and a rank tracking, all at a much more affordable price. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it ideal for beginners, bloggers, freelancers, and a small business owners. And here's a overall verdict about the two platforms. So you can go with Ahrefs if you need in-depth SEO data with competitive analysis and advanced features, or choose Mango if you are after an actionable or affordable, easy to use SEO toolkit for basic to mid-level needs. So both are worth using, but Ahrefs is for powerful or power user, while Mango is for simplicity and value. So you just know the difference that Ahrefs is for powerful user, those people want advanced level, while Mango is for the basic level or a simplicity and value. And that's it. So if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.